Welcome to our detailed exploration of the abdominal viscera. Today, we'll take you inside the body to learn about the key organs that keep us alive and functioning, understanding how they work together in the abdominal cavity. Ready to explore the digestive system, kidneys, and more? Let's dive in! Hello, future clinicians. Welcome to the overview of abdominal viscera tutorial. If complex peritoneal layouts overwhelm your exam prep, these hand-drawn diagrams will simplify them for clinical mastery. Start with the peritoneal canvas. Greater and lesser sacs, mesenteries. Key regions, supracolic versus infracolic. Free air here signals perforation. The stomach, cardia to pylorus. Time to test, pause after each. 1. Which ligament anchors the spleen posteriorly? Greater. Great job, 90% recall means you're exam ready.
Hello, future clinicians. Welcome to the overview of abdominal viscera tutorial.
If complex peritoneal layouts overwhelm your exam prep, these hand-drawn diagrams will simplify them for clinical mastery.
Today, we'll cascade through liver, stomach, spleen, and key relations. Here's the final diagram we'll build. Watch organs layer into place. With timestamps ahead for peritoneal divisions at 4:20, liver lobes at 7:45, and surgical highlights at 12:30. Start with the peritoneal canvas. Greater lesser sacs, mesenteries. The peritoneal canvas shows the greater and lesser sacs, connected by mesenteries. Draw outline. Key regions, supracolic, liver stomach versus infracolic, intestines. Surgical relevance, free air here signals perforation. Liver lobes, right, left, caudate, quadrate. Relations, falciform ligament anteriorly, IVC posteriorly. Clinical, segmentectomy planes for tumors, segmentectomy planes. Hilum. Relevance, ulcer perforations track here. Spleen, splenorenal ligament attachments, diaphragmatic surface. Vascular, splenic artery tortuous path. Trauma note, rupture causes Kehr's sign. Time to test. Pause after each. One. Which ligament anchors the spleen posteriorly? Splenorenal. 2. Name liver lobe touching the right kidney. Right lobe, bare area.
3. Stomach curvature facing spleen. Greater.
And that's a wrap on our tour of the abdominal viscera. You've learned the structure and functions of these essential organs. To deepen into your understanding, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Don't miss out on future tutorials that will help you master human anatomy from the inside out.